Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section sounds and vibration. As you can see, it will be almost at the very top. So let's tap on it. And here we've got the section with the sounds. So the ringtone, the notifications, system sound, and the volume. So let me tap on the ringtone, of course. And as you can see, here we've been transferred to the list of available ringtones from which we can choose, and they are divided into different sections again. So the Samsung brand sound, the Galaxy, and so on, the retro ones, whatever. At the very top of this list, we've got this option silent, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you about the incoming call by using the sound. So it may be quite useful, but not all of the time. And here in the right upper corner, you've got this plus icon, and after tapping on it, you will be able to pick different sounds. So for example, if you will have any, of course you have to allow everything. If you will have any, for example, downloaded or recorded, then they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to those pre-installed ones. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. You will be able to check if you like it or not. And after, all right, maybe let me volume it down. Oh, you can do it right here. So if you want to set particular ringtone, so for example this one, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically, that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.